Hello my fellow handsome gentlemen, I'm Bettr from Men's Improvement. The channel is dedicated to make you look, feel, smell and be like the best possible version of yourself. You're probably watching this video because you want to have clean and amazing skin and want to know what you should avoid doing so you don't ruin your skin completely. Or you're watching this video because you subscribe to the channel. If that's the case, well done, thank you so much. But for any reason that you're watching this video, you've come to the right place, because in this video I'm going to tell you 7 habits that might be ruining your skin. The first habit that might ruin your skin, even though you're taking care of it, is that you're touching your face all the time. You probably have done this many times a day. You've probably done this before watching this video, and you're probably going to do this after this video, because the majority of us, if not all of us, touch our faces unconsciously all the time. You might have touched a recent pimple that you have gotten. You might have scratched your forehead. You might have touched your eyes. The problem with touching your face is that there's millions of bacteria accumulating on your fingertips at nearly all times. You might be touching the screen on your phone, you might be typing on your computer, you might touch your ass crack, you could be touching anything, but there's millions of bacteria accumulating in front of your fingertips all the time, daily, and touching your face with these millions of bacteria many times a day isn't going to be any good for your face. So a way to tone that damage down is by washing your hands thoroughly after every toilet use, and even sanitize your hands a few times a day. Not all day, not all the time, but a few times a day to just make sure that your hands are clean. Remember gentlemen, hygiene is key, and one way to make your skin look better is not only by not touching your face all the time, but also making sure if you touch your face that your fingertips and generally your hands are clean. The second habit that might be ruining your face is by the foods that you're putting in your mouth. Foods with a lot of fats and oils are not the only reason for clogged pores, acne and oily skin, but they can possibly be a part of the problem. So if you want to minimize your acne and not have as oily skin as you might have, maybe tone down the oily and fatty foods and have a look at your diet and try to eat healthier. Gentlemen, you should know by now that you need a skincare routine to look your best. If you have one, great job, keep going, but if you don't have one, get one and listen to what I have to say. I'm teaming up yet again with Bettr Skincare so you can boost your skincare routine or maybe even start the skincare journey. Bettr Skincare is a skincare brand that has a fragrance-free and high-quality skincare system for all skin types. I'm going to give away one Bettr use set that Bettr Skincare has to offer to one lucky subscriber to this channel. The Bettr use set has a clean Bettr face wash, a restore Bettr serum and a moisturize Bettr moisturizer. All you have to do to enter this giveaway is subscribe to the Men's Improvement YouTube channel, follow me on Instagram at Bettr and comment on this video with your Instagram handle. These are the only 3 steps that you need to follow. You need to comment your Instagram handle so I can contact you if you win. I wish you good luck on the giveaway. The third bad habit ruining your skin is not moisturizing your neck. Some of us guys that have a skincare routine hopefully are moisturizing our skin every day, both day and night. But what a lot of guys forget to moisturize is their neck. It's almost as important moisturizing your neck as it is your face. And especially if you wear fragrances. Yes, you heard me right. If you wear fragrances, I want you to moisturize your neck at night when you're done wearing your fragrance. And why? Because there's alcohol in fragrances that you might wear, and alcohol has drying properties, so it's naturally going to dry your skin if you wear fragrance every single day and moisturizing your skin on your neck. So make sure to moisturize your neck maybe once or twice a day, day and night, as you might do with your face if you have a skincare routine, to prevent wrinkles and other things happening on your neck area when you get older. This fourth habit that might be ruining your skin is maybe the hardest one to stop doing, and that is squinting your eyes. Squinting your eyes is very normal. You're maybe squinting your eyes because the sun is very bright or you're trying to see something from far away. There could be a lot of reasons to squint your eyes, but it is damaging your skin around your eye area. A way to minimize the wrinkles and damages around your eye area from squinting your eyes might be to add some sunglasses when you're outside and the sun might be bright, and applying an eye cream day and night to prevent those wrinkles forming on your eye area. The fifth habit that might ruin your skin is also something to do with your facial expressions, and that is raising your eyebrows. Whenever you raise your eyebrows, you make your muscles on your forehead work, which is in the long run going to create wrinkles on your forehead, which we don't want, of course. So in order to not create as many or as bad wrinkles on your forehead when you get older, try to minimize the amount of times a day that you raise your eyebrows to not make your muscles on your forehead work as much. So just like the eyes will create wrinkles, the same will happen on your forehead. So try to minimize not squinting your eyes, but also raising your eyebrows. The sixth habit that might ruin your skin is not drinking enough water. Hydrating yourself is not only good for your muscles, digestive system, hair growth, and many other things, but it's also good for your skin. Drinking enough water every day is going to nourish and hydrate the skin on your face and generally on your whole body to make it look and feel stronger and healthier. So if you're not drinking enough water every day, this might be yet another reason why you should be better at drinking more water every day to not only help your skin, but also help the other parts of your body to become healthier and stronger. The last and seventh habit that you might have that might be ruining your skin is that you're drying your face the wrong way. When you shower or wash your face, you might use a towel to dry your face off. But the problem with that is that you might be a little too harsh on your skin and maybe even scrub or rub it on your face too harshly. Next time that you're going to dry your face with a towel, which I prefer doing myself, is to pat dry instead of rubbing the towel on your face. Pat drying is going to be much more gentle for your face because cotton can be very rough on your face. So by pat drying, you're not going to damage the skin if you are going to pat dry your face very gently. And I prefer that you pat dry your face with a towel instead of scrubbing, and might possibly even create some scars on the skin. And I don't want that to happen. So make sure next time you're in the shower or washing your face and you want to dry your face, just pat dry the towel on your face instead of being harsh on it. So gentlemen, these were 7 habits that you might do every day that might be ruining your skin, even though you're trying to take care of it with a skincare routine. Gentlemen, if you don't have a skincare routine, I can recommend you guys enough that you start your skincare journey already. And of course, gentlemen, subscribe to the channel so you get more information to how you can have better skin and to look and feel your best. And if you enjoyed this very video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel I had already for more skincare, grooming, fitness, style content for you guys to enjoy and learn from. And of course, press the notification bell to get notified every single time I upload a new video for you guys, so you can become the best possible version of yourself in all the ways imaginable. And of course, gentlemen, smile more, it's free.